Preparing a finished junk journal is a rewarding and satisfying part of the creative process. So having that happy moment in your mind as you create is a great motivation for completing your journal. So in this video I'm doing a page turn of this journal, showing a few of the supplies that I used as we go, and if you're a paper addict and a journal lover, then hit the subscribe button and ding the notification bell because I've got lots more projects and ideas to come. The story of this journal begins in the Lake District in England, which was my source of inspiration for colour and tone and style, and I didn't know if the colours I'd chosen of teal and orange would work as a Christmas journal, and I definitely had moments when I got a bit stuck, but I pressed on and I have to say I've had a lot of fun just having a go and pulling this together, so let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this little video, then please do give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and ding the notification bell, and I will see you next week. Bye.